What is going on, guys? Welcome back. F10 video time. Yes, I just picked this F10 up. I missed my other one. I had to get another one. This is the 535i. I had the 550i. Now this thing's higher miles and came with an issue. Not a major issue. The seller told me that there was a speaker that rattled at higher volumes. No big deal. I can try and check it out. It was the sub. I noticed there was no bass, so I knew it was sub related. So I'm like, all right, the subs are just need to be replaced. So I got into the back here and I snipped the wires that go to the sub down on the amplifier, and obviously the rattling went away because that was it. So I'm like, well, I got this nice little Rockville audio system in the 335. I'll just rob that and put it in here. So I did, and when I went to turn it on, it was very intermittent, just like the rattling was. So what does that tell me? That tells me that the input to my aftermarket system is going in and out, which makes sense because the output coming out of the amplifier was intermittent for the subs. So that tells me the amplifier was bad. So the new amplifier should be here within, I don't know, UPS says 30 minutes. So I'm going to try and get this old one out of here. And to get this old one out, you got, you know, some of these plastic tabs and stuff that you got to pull out of here. Yank this thing back. You could take the whole thing out if you want, but I'm bending it back just far enough to get everything out of there. And that's what I'm going to do now. And I'll show you when I get to it. Well, just like I said, yeah, he came here and dropped off the new to me amplifier. Now I thought it was just one bolt here, an 8mm, but no, it's 2 10s here, and then hopefully that's just it with this bracket, and I don't have to fish for anything else down below. I might have to, well, maybe not, we'll see. Okay, before everybody starts screaming at me in the comments, yes, it was just the only the one 8mm, and here's why. So one 8mm there, and then this slides down with these right here. So all you have to do is actually slide it up after you undo the plugs, which are super simple. You depress this one here for your optical inputs, pull it out, and then your power supply is here. Depress it here, pull that out, and then this, you just slide it down, and then it pulls the pop plug out. So before I put it in here though, I got a little bit of repairing to do because I had cut those subwoofer outputs. So now I need to mend them back together so I can plug this back in and make sure that the stock subs work, and hopefully that this was the fix. And all I did was match up this number here. I didn't take this out to match this number up on the back, but I got the new one here, and this is out of an 11550i, and it's the same number. So we are good. So I'm gonna get these wires, long day, not really. I'm gonna get these wires spliced back together, and I'll check back in. All right, I'm trying to figure out how to show this to you. What I'm gonna do, I want to plug everything in first and then slide it in there. I don't have to, but, well, yeah, whatever. Just one-handed vlogging just kind of is difficult sometimes. So you just kind of set it in there like that, and then it slides down. Now we're good. Now we can get that 8mm in there, which I didn't lose. Nope, I didn't. It's right there. Oh yeah, look at that. And hopefully this fixes the problem, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna probably cry. Not probably, I will. I just won't show you guys. Okay, amplifier's secured in. Now the first, let's see, let's get this a little better. First thing you want to do is plug this one in, because once you plug in the power, then this will not plug in. So you have to expand this out, not in, gotta expand it out like that, and then you'll plug it in, and as you push it in, it will actually lock itself into place. If you're familiar with BMW amplifiers, you've done this before, then this is super easy. So you start pushing it in, and then you pull the connector up, the door connectors are typically this way too. Stupid rooster. And then just pull that plug up and it locks into place right there and she's secure. And then I got electrical tape all over my hands now because that's fun and not annoying. Then I'll grab this power. Yeah, it'd be better if I showed you. Shut up. Okay, get this power cable down here and get her wiggled into place, maybe. Anybody want a rooster? Free, you can come get them. I'll find it. So, got everything plugged back in, the optical, everything. You know, you probably should disconnect your negative battery terminal, you know what I'm saying? And before you start messing around with this. Go ahead, bud. I gotta go save them from the chickens. I'll be right back. Yeah, as I'm opening the door, obviously it was locked, I don't know why, but so when you come up to these doors with the fob, you're supposed to be able to do this and unlock it, do that and lock it. It only works on that side of the car, so I'm guessing there's a sensor on that side and there's a sensor on this side that senses the fob. And this side's bad, so I'm gonna have to research that. No biggie. But man, I hope this fixed the problem. You know what I mean? That'd be great. Ding ding. Oh, I need my phone, which is in the trunk. Yeah, you know. You know. It wasn't the amplifier. Alright guys, well that didn't fix it, but there's another amplifier in there that the optics go to it and then they come back out, and I don't know. So it's a smaller amplifier. I'll put the picture up right here that I took of the number. And then I'm gonna jump online, order that one, because as far as I know, and I will research this before I actually order it, you get your optical signal from the head unit. Sends it back to that first amplifier, and then it also goes to that second amplifier. I don't know how it works, why it works, whatever, I'll look that up, but it's got to be that one. I don't see it being the head unit. It's got to be some kind of module or amplifier. So anyway, to be continued. All right guys, quick update on the F10 here. Yeah, so that's the Bluetooth module I was talking about in the back. I am thoroughly confused over what is the issue here, because you have the optical cable that comes into the amplifier that carries all your signals. I thought that included your low pass signals as well. I pulled the head unit out. I can't really tell. I don't know. Is it a bad optical cable? I don't think so, or else the highs wouldn't work either. Bad head unit? Could be. But do I really want to spend another $100 just swapping it out and seeing if that's the problem or not? I don't know. So hopefully somebody can help me out down in the comments, please. But other than that, it's not fixed, so I just don't know what my next step is going to be. And yeah, I wish there was a little bit of bass that went to the rest of the speakers, because then I could just tap in, but there's not. So if you tap into those highs, you don't get anything. So anyway, hope this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Wait, it helped you guys out. Hopefully it helps me out. Yeah, anyway, see you in the next one. Later.